You will have LSRW, the names whom we are calling, kindly unmute and answer. If you don't know the answer also, we are there to help you out. Okay, children, we are there to help you out. So kindly unmute your audio and answer. Okay? So everyone will get a chance. Listen here. Everyone will get chance, okay? Okay, let's start our morning session with a prayer. Join your palm, close your eyes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sashat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Yes, children, open your eyes.
Yes, children. So now let's start on with our LSR. Yes, I want you all to be in mute. Only the person who we are calling out, only that particular person must unmute and give the answer. Okay, kindly do not interrupt in between. Okay, yes, only the one who is we are calling, those people alone, kindly unmute yourself and say the answer. Okay, yes. So let's begin. Okay, let's begin. The first child is from 1F, Arshad. Arshad, are you there? Arshad, followed by Avanishwar and Darshan. Yes, Arshad has come. Yes, Tena, my mom, you can ask the question.
Yes. Can you tell the number name for 93? Yes, dear. Can you tell the number name for 93? Yes, please. Speaking. Yes, ma'am. Call two names. Anyone, unmute yourself, dear.
Arshad, are you there, ma? Arshad of 1F.
Yes, ma'am. Arshad. Yes, Arshad. Very good morning. Very good morning, dear.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, can you spell the number name for 93?
NINETY.
Very good.
Yes, thank you, Arshad. This is followed by Avanishwar, Darshan and Gopi Kishan. Avanishwar, Darshan, Gopi Kishan. Avanishwar, are you there?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Darshan.
Darshan has come. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, complete the column here. There are two numbers in the column, right? Complete it.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the next number?
Ma'am, Avanishwar, ma'am.
Okay, Avnishwar. Yes, Avnishwar. Yes, Darshan can yes, after Darshan you can answer Avnish. So Darshan.
Ma'am.
Yes, Darshan, you complete the
Continue the
column.
series, Kanna.
47.
47. What will come after 45?
47, ma'am.
46, 47. Then
40, 48. 48.
48, then 49. Yes, good try. Very good. Superb. Start good.
Yes, now
Avnishwar. Yes, Avnishwar, you can unmute your audio, dear.
Avanishwar followed by Gopi Kishan and Jaganvel Kavicharan. Avanishwar followed by Gopi Kishan, Jaganvel Kavicharan.
Ma'am, can you move on to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Avanishwar.
Yes, Avnishwar, can you do the A sum? What is it? Is it addition or subtraction? Is it addition or subtraction, dear?
0.
Yes, it is addition, right? So you will do the ones place first. 9 plus 1?
0.
9 plus 1, 0. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you will write it outside. 0 will be there in one place and 1 will be carried over, right? Okay, superb. Then 1 where will you take?
Tens.
Tens, very good. Very good, dear. Superb. Star for you.
Yes, followed by Gopi Kishan, Jaganvel, Kavicharan. Gopi Kishan, are you there? Gopi Kishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kana.
Yes, dear. Can you do the tens place?
Plus 1. 8, ma'am.
It's Kavicharan.
Yes, one.
One is
Yes.
7, ma'am.
7. 7 plus 2?
9.
Very good. 9. Yes. So 90 is the answer. Yes, 90 is the answer. Yes, very good, dear. Super. Star for you. Thank you.
yes, okay. Now I am going to call out the students from 1E. Okay? Yes. So it's Abhinav, Harshan, Jay, Jay Krishna. Abhinav Sai, Harshan, Jay, Jay Krishna. Okay? Yes, Abhinav Sai, are you there? Abhinav
Yes.
Sai,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abhinav side. Do the B sum, dear. What should you do first? You will add the ones place? Yes. Yes, dear.
10.
Where? Yes, 10 we have written outside. So, what will happen to 0 and 1?
Yeah.
0 will go to 1's place, right?
Right.
What will happen to the 1?
7.
Yes, you have answered the final answer. Yes, very good. Superb. Star for you. 7. 70 is the answer. Very good.
yes. Thank you, Abhinav Sai. Now Harshan, Jay, Jay Krishna. Harshan, Jay, Jay Krishna. Yes, is anyone there? Harshan G, Jay V, and Jay Krishna L. Kindly unmute yourself, Kana. We are there to help you out. Yes, Jay. Please, Jay, ma'am.
Yes,
Jai ma'am.
Jai Gurudev dear. Can you ask for the 8th?
Six in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, after that?
0.
In the 10th place? Very good. Super. Thank you.
7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9.
Very good. Super dear. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you, Jay. Here now it's Jay Krishna, followed by Krishim, Lingesh, Mohammed Shayan. Jay Krishna L, followed by Krishim, Lingesh, Mohammed Shayan.
Ma'am.
Jai Krishna L.
Take it. Ma'am.
Yes, dear. Do the B sum.
2 plus 9, 11.
Yes, very good. 11. Okay. Which will come to ones place and which will go to tens place?
1 will go to 10's place.
In ones place?
1.
Very good. Superb, dear. Star for you. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Jai
One.
Krishna.
1
Okay,
plus 5, 6
superb.
Yes.
plus 2, 8.
Very good.
Krishna.
Superb.
Star for you. Yes, thank you, Jai Krishna.
Thank
Followed
you,
by
ma'am.
Krishiv, Lingesh, Mohammed Shayan. Krishiv, Lingesh, Mohammed Shayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Krishiv.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Yes, can you do the A sum?
Okay, ma'am.
Do.
9 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 9, before 9,
This is, yes. Okay.
before 9, 8, 7. 7 in the mind, 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, before 4, before 4, 3.
Superb, Kana. Very good, Krishiv. Yes, followed by Lingesh, Mohammed Shayan, and Monish. Followed by Lingesh, Mohammed Shayan, and Monish. Yes, is anyone there?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's that? What's your name, Kana?
Jaganvel.
Jaganvel. Okay, yes, Jaganvel. Now say, do this. 5 minus 4. Second sum, B sum.
Victor tie the
Ah.
2, 1.
Super, Pattu. Very good. Yes. Star for you. Thank you, Jaganvel. Yes. Okay, Pattu.
2,
Before 2, 1. Very good. Superb. Star for you again. Thank you. Okay, yes. Kavicharan. No, 1 E. Yes. Mohammed Shayan, Lingesh, Monish, Mohammed Shayan. Is anyone there? From E section?
yes, ma'am.
This is Monish. Very good. Okay, Monish. Yes, give me the answer for this. A question. Monish, 6 minus 0.
6.
Superb, Pattu. Very good. Superb. Yes, star for you. Yes, how about 5 minus 4?
1.
1. Very good, Kana. Superb, Kana. Yes. Thank you, Monish. Star for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now I would like to call children from 1F. Kritik Bala. Mokshita, kindly wait for your turn, Kanna. Mokshita, kindly wait for your turn. Kritik Bala, Kishore Kumar, Krishwant. Kritik Bala, followed by Kishore Kumar, Krishwant.
Yes,
Okay, next
ma'am.
week also we will be having the same LSR. I want all my dear ones to participate in this interactive session. Okay, yes, Kritik Bala. Give me the answer for B. B question. 72 minus 22. 2 minus 2?
இருக்காங்கல்ல 2 minus 2 எவ்வளோன்னு கேக்குறாங்க சொல்லுங்க 2 minus 2 எவ்வளோ சொல்லு டக்குன்னு நேத்து எழுதுனியா இல்லையா
0.
0. Super. Yes, star for you, Pattu. Yes, how about 10? 7 minus 2?
Zero.
7 minus
So
2 எவ்வளவு கேக்குறாங்க
7 minus 2.
சொல்லு எப்படி செய்வ 7 ஃபிங்கர் விடு ம் என்ன பண்ணுவ 1 2 பேலன்ஸ் எவ்வளவுன்னு சொல்லு
Yes, leave 7 fingers and fold 2 fingers and see how many fingers are left. Very good, Kanna. Yes. Superb. Star for you, Kanna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Patu. Yes. Next comes Krishwant, Kishore Kumar, Krishwant. For Kishore Kumar, Krishwant, Lohit, Manish. Kishore Kumar, Krishwant, Lohit, Manish. Not Monish, it is Manish. Is anyone there? Yes, Kana, this fetches you mark. Kindly come and participate in the interactive session. This will be added in your assessment. Yes. What happened? No one is there. Kishore Kumar, Krishwant, Lohit, Manish. No one is there. Okay.
One of madam, you are not correct.
Who's that, sir? Prakalpa. Yes, sir. We will be calling, sir. The attendance order we are calling. We will be calling out. Thank you so much, sir. Yes. So now let me call out children from 1E. It's Naresh, Nikhil, Rayan, Samrish. Naresh, Nikhil, Rayan, Samrish. Is anyone there? Naresh? Naresh? Yes, Naresh. Yes, can you arrange the A question in the increasing order? What do you mean by increasing order?
Slide is not coming, ma'am.
Slide is not visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is visible, ma'am. Yes. Yes, but increasing order. From which number to which number will be arranging? From small to big, right? Very good. Girls are very good. Many of you are giving answers in the chat box. Yes, Kanna? Give me the answer for your question. Are you there, Naresh?
Ma'am, it's look negative, ma'am. Sorry.
What happened?
Screen is not visible, ma'am.
Screen is visible, ma'am. Okay, kindly check your network, my dear. Yes, Nikhil, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Patu. Yes, arrange the numbers.
Now visible, ma'am. Now visible, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Kindly wait. If Nikhil answers, then I will call out Naresh, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, Patu. What is the smallest number? It's rupees 24. Very good. Yes. First one, yes. Then what comes next? 56. Superb, Patu. Very good. Yes. Then
62.
62. Wonderful. Superb. Then
97.
97. Superb. Star for you, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Patu. Yes, Nikhil. Yes, Naresh, now you can answer, ma. Naresh, hope so the screen is visible. Now you can answer for the B question.
சத்தமா சொல்லு
13.
13. Superb, Naresh. Yes. Then
49.
49. Superb. Then
81.
81. Wonderful. Superb. Then
91.
91. Yes. A star for you. Superb, Kanna. Very good, Naresh. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Naresh. Rayan, Samrish. Rayan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rayan. Arrange these A question in increasing order, Patu. From small to big. What is the first number I have to write? Rayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the first number, Patu?
11, ma'am.
11. Very good. Rupees 11. Okay. Then how about the next number?
24.
24. Rupees 24. Okay. Very good. Then
57.
rupees 57. Superb. Then
84, ma'am.
rupees 84. Superb, Kana. Superb. Star for you. Very good. Yes. Yes, Samrish. Now you can answer. Yes, Samrish. What is the first value I have to strike it out? Increasing order from small to big.
29, ma'am.
Rupees 29. Superb. Then
44.
45. Superb. Then
72.
rupees 72. Very good. Superb. Then
95.
95. Superb, Kana. Very good, Kana. Star for you, Patu. Thank you, Samresh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Patu. Yes, now I would like to call students from 1F. 1F. Okay. Yes. Kishore Kumar, Krishwant, Lohit, Manish. Kishore Kumar, Krishwant, Lohit, Manish. No one is there? Okay, ma'am, take out the girls list now. Okay, from 1F. Harshika, Jashita Sri, Kanitra. Harshika, Jashita Sri, Kanitra. Is anyone there?
Yes, ma'am. Kanitra.
Kanitra. Yes, Kanitra. Now we are moving on to decreasing order. How we will be arranging the numbers in decreasing order?
Big to small.
Big to small. Wonderful, Patu. Yes, Kanitra, give me the answer for A question.
Yeah.
What is the biggest value?
75.
75. Very good. Superb. Then
52.
52. Superb.
34.
34. Wow. Next
26.
26. Superb. Star for you, Patu.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Kanitra. Okay, thank you. Welcome. Yes, next it's Jashita Sri.
Yes, ma'am.
Jashita Sri, can you give me answer for B question?
82.
82. Yes. Rupees 82. Then
63.
63. Rupees 63. Yes. Then the next value?
22.
Rupees 22. Superb. Then
15.
15. Rupees 15. Superb. Star for you, Kanna. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kanna. Yes. Harshika, are you there? Followed by Kavya Sri, Meenakshi, Niralaya. Harshika, Kavya Sri, Meenakshi, Niralaya. Yes. Kindly unmute yourself. Kavya Sri, you are there, right? Unmute yourself and give me the answer.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kavya Sri. Arrange the first question, that is A question, in decreasing order from big to small. What is the biggest value in this first leaf? 78, right? Superb. Rupees 78. Then
56, ma'am.
56. Wonderful, Kana. Then
23, ma'am.
23. Superb, ma. Yes. Then
40, ma'am.
14. Superb, Pattu. Very good. Star for you, ma. Thank you, Kavya Sri.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yes, followed by Meenakshi, Niralaya, Pragalpa. Meenakshi, you are there, right? Yes,
Yes,
Meenakshi.
ma'am. Jai, good day, ma'am.
Jay Gurudev Patu, yes, arrange the now values from big to small. The second name.
94.
94,
Rupee 85.
85, super rupee 85,
Rupee 69.
rupee 69,
Rupee 38.
rupees 38, super, wonderful stuff for you, Kanna. Very good, Meenakshi. Welcome,
Thank
Patu.
you, ma'am.
Yes, Niralaya followed by Pragalpa. Jay, I want you to be in mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pragalpa. Jay of 1E, kindly be in mute, ma. Your turn has got over, right? Okay, thank you. Yes. Find the cost of a bat and an aeroplane.
20.
Jay, you are answering. Already Pragalpa is answering. Okay. Yes, super. The cost of a bat. What is the cost of a bat?
20.
20. Super. It's rupees 20. What is the cost of an aeroplane? 25. Rupees 25. Okay. So what does this term related to? Total. Kavicharan, Jay, kindly be in mute. Pragalpa is answering. To addition, right? 45. Yes, superb. You have done with the answer. Okay, do we have to take out this answer and write, or just leave it like that? We have to take out the answer and write. Yes, na? Yes, rupees 45. Very good. Very good, Pragalpa. Star for you. Yes, Niralaya. Niralaya, are you there?
Morning.
Niralaya? Yes, Niralaya. Now say me, what is the cost of a cake? Price of the cake? Niralaya, I could. Your voice is not audible, Kanna. 50 rupees, 50, right? Superb. Okay, how about what is the price of a cupcake? Little louder, Niralaya. We could not hear you. Okay, star for you, Patu. Okay, next class I will be again calling you, Niralaya. Yes. So it's followed by Niralaya followed by Pritingyastri. Niralaya followed by yes, Pritingyastri. Pritingyastri is not there. Okay, let's move on to 1E girls. Dharani, Janavika, Jivika, Kamakshi. Dharani, Janavika, Jivika. Yes, Dharani has come. Yes, Dharani. What is the cost of a cake, Kanna?
50, ma'am.
Rupees 50. Super. What is the cost of a cookie?
Rupees 10, ma'am.
Rupees 10. Okay, so can you put them all together and give the answer? What is the total cost? 0 plus 0? What happened?
Ma'am, your screen has gone, ma'am.
Yes, Krishi, you kindly stop sharing. Yes, Dharani, now is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pato, yes, 50 plus 10. What is the answer?
On the line, ma'am. And 60.
60, super, Kanna. Yes, it's rupees 60. Very good. Star for you, Kanna.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yes, followed by Janavika, Jeevana, Jeevika. Jeevana, Jeevika. Janavika. Yes, Janavika. Janavika, what is the cost of donut? Janavika?
25.
2525. Okay, rupees 25. What is the cost of a cupcake? Rupees?
1 to 20.
Huh?
12.
1 to 12. Okay. Then can you put all these price together and say the total cost? 5 plus 2?
37, 37.
Superb, Kanna. Very good. 37. So rupees 37. Star for you, Kanna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Jeevana, Jeevika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who's answering now? Is that Jeevika or Jeevana?
Jivika, ma'am.
Jeevika is answering. Okay, Jeevika, what is the cost of a popcorn?
65.
65. Okay, superb. What is the cost of a balloon?
20.
20. Okay, can you put these two prices together and tell me the answer? Is 5 plus 0 gives? 5.
5.
Okay, 6 plus 2 gives? Yes? 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6?
After 6 only.
After
7?
7.
7?
8.
8. Superb, ma. Superb. So the answer is rupees 85. Very good. Star for you, Kanna. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. And now call out your sister. Jeevika has answered right. Now Jeevana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. What is the cost of a popsicle? What is the cost? What is the price of it?
70.
70. Look at the price here. What is the price?
44.
44. Okay, superb. It's rupees 44. What is the cost of a cotton candy? Yes, 15. Okay, superb, Kanna. Very good, Jeevika. Jeevika, Jeevana, star for you, Patus. For both of you, 2 stars. Okay? Yes. Next, I would like to call Kamakshi M, followed by Mahavidya. Kamakshi M, followed by Mahavidya. Kamakshi M, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Patu, can you give me answer total cost of these two prices? 5 plus 5.
Hiding the finger.
Hmm.
After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Superb. Okay. So let's write 10 beside. And what will happen? What will happen to ones and tens?
0, 1.
0 ones. Wonderful. Superb. Okay. What will happen to tens?
4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5.
5. 5 plus 1?
5 plus 1, 6.
6. Super. So our answer is 60 rupees. 60. Super, Kamakshi. Very good. Wonderful, Kanna. Superb. Okay, Mahavidya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mahavidya. How many Tuesdays are there in July 2019? Tuesdays.
One,
TUE.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Superb, Kanna. Very good. Star for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kanna. Yes, next Mokshita. Mokshita, followed by Nehan. Mokshita, followed by Nehan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mokshita. Circle the fourth Thursday of the month. Fourth Thursday. What is the date? First?
Ma'am.
No, not day, not day. Fourth Thursday. No, first, second. Very good. Third, fourth. So 25th is the correct answer. 25th. The fourth Thursday, 25th. Very good, Mokshita. Star for you. Superb. Yes, Nehan, are you there? Nehan, kindly unmute yourself, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Patu, how many Sundays are there in July 2019? Sundays. Yes, count and say me the Sundays. 1,
1,
2, 3,
3,
4.
4.
So how many Sundays?
4.
4 Sundays. Very good, Nehan. Superb. Yes. So Nehan, followed by Nandana. Nandana SN. Thank you, Nehan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nandana. What day of the week is July 20th, 2019? What day is that? What day? 20th?
Monday, ma'am.
What day? Today, Monday, Tuesday, like that. What day is that?
Saturday.
Saturday. Superb, Patu. Superb. Star for Nehan and star for you also. Superb.
Thank
Very
you.
good. Nandana? Yes. Now let me call out girls from 1F. Yes. Pratinyashri, Sadhana, Samudri. Pratinyashri, Sadhana, Samudri.
Ma'am.
Nehan, your chance is over, right? Pratinyashri, Sadhana, Sadhana, Samudri. No one is there?
Ma'am.
Yes, Samudri is there. Yes, Samudri. How many Saturdays are there in March 2019?
After teacher கேட்டாங்கடா.
Samudri, how many Saturdays are there? Count and say me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sadhana. Yes, say me how many Saturdays are there in March 2019?
5.
5. Superb. Superb, Sadhana. Very good. Okay, now say me. Circle the third Sunday of the month, Sadhana. Third Sunday.
7.
Is that 7?
Mama.
Is that 7 or 17?
70.
17. Superb, Kanna. Very good. Star for you, Kanna. Yes. Thank you, Kanna. Star for you. Very good. Sadhana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Patu. Now it's time to end our session. The next class also we will be having same LSR. I want you all to participate in LSR and score marks. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next class. Now you can unmute your video and say bye-bye to your friends. Tata, bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Kana. Bye bye. Meet in the next class. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.